and it's so exciting, guys, because you will not believe how fast and how easy it is to make this, and how inexpensive, more importantly. And I just want to show you the simple materials. You just find a branch from your yard. It's a great time to clean up right now. Find yourself an old pot. There we have spray foam installation. Then we have a plastic pumpkin from the store. Then you can use like silk leaves, you know, that you're gonna eventually glue on. Some hot glue guns, and we need our pumpkin carver. First of all, we got our insulation and our vase together, and it's really easy to use. It's like icing a cake. So you just spray it in about half full, and this is what we're going to stick our branch in. It gets nice and hard. Then next, we're gonna draw out the mouth of our man-eating plant, and just very simple, just do a little diagram that you can then cut out with your pumpkin carver. And the important thing here is that when you're creating your mouth, make sure you lay your pumpkin sideways so that it's like that and the stem is in the back of the head. So I just cut off a little bit and trimming my branch just to make it a little more user-friendly, easier to poke through, because we're gonna be poking it through the bottom of this pumpkin, just like that. So, and then just to make it more secure, we added some glue, and then we get to it. Put it right into the hardened foam. It gets hard within 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, make sure you use your mask here when you spray paint, because you may get a little overspray. But I love this green color because it just looks kind of whimsical. And look at that mouth. What we want to do now is cover this. Yeah, go ahead and spray that. So we can put some moss. Yes, go ahead and add some of that. And then, of course, we need to add some leaves. This is defoliated. It looks like the fall, you know. Let's put it at the tip.
Up here.
There you go. Check this out. Add some skulls, some bones.